Hello, welcome to Let's Pull. So if you've never been on a reformer, then pulling straps means like nothing to you. But if you have been on a reformer, pulling straps means something to you. And I find it to be a really effective exercise in teaching us so much about our arm-back connection. Bring your knees into your chest. And then if you want to use your hand weights, you can here, or your cans of beans or water bottles, whatever, and you push them down. If you have lower back stuff, then ditch those and put your hands underneath your hips. Lift your head and chest up, heels together, toes apart. Press your legs out and in like you're doing footwork. And I just want you to stand in your arms as if your arms are trying to press shoulder to pinky into the mat while your head and chest is curled up, because there's so many exercises where we actually need our arms to be down while we're curled up, and your arms getting strong enough to reach past your hips is super key for your pulling straps. One, take your arms up to the sky, and I want you to go ahead and let your arms just fall back and feel how your ribs pop off, right? So bring them back up, breathe into your upper back. And as you take your arms back, notice that your collarbones can be wide and your low ribs can be down. And I can't take my arms all the way back. They get stuck right about there, but that's okay. And I want you just to take a breath into your upper back and then lift your arms back up to the sky. And again, take your arms as far back as you can with your low ribs down, and then lift your arms back up. One more time. Take the arms back overhead, low ribs are down, and lift them back up. Now straighten your legs, and you can leave your legs down if you like. I'm going to leave mine down. We're going to lift our head and chest up for the 100, and you're going to pump your arms vigorously. And the reason I'm keeping my legs down is that just sometimes adding these weights can make it a lot, but I really want to focus on my legs reaching out from my waist, so that, like they would in pulling straps, so that my arms can focus on pumping from my back. Because again, the arms working from the back is what makes pulling straps happen. 1, 2, take your arms back by your ears. Let your head come up through your arms and then round forward. If having the weights in your hands is too much, it's totally fine. I'm just using them so that I know if my arms are going off my back or staying on my back. And you have to resist those weights down, which does make it a little bit harder. So arms go back as far as they can with your ribs in. Then lift your head up through your arms and then round forward and pulse 3 times. Pull your waist back and roll all the way down. And so coming knees into your chest, lift your head and chest up. Arms can be pressing down, or if you trust your arm back connection, lift your arms up and hover them. One knee in, one leg out, and then switch. And switch, and just pull your legs in using your center instead of your hands. And how can your arms reach from your back? Not to curl you higher, but to allow your collarbones to be wide and your upper back to be wide. Bend both knees in and rest. Leave your weight that's in your left hand onto the floor. Have the one in your right hand. And then lift your head and chest up. Reach the legs out. Reverse T-pull. The arms go back. They're going to go overhead. You're going to grab the weight into your left hand, close the legs. Now reverse. Left hand switches it to the right hand. And your job is just to tell, am I rocking side to side? Or am I able to keep myself upright? My dead center. Last time. Ooh. All right, rest your head. So the elbows are in and the whole upper arm bone's pressing down, right? So we've been here before, and we actually know that we have the strength to push our arms beyond our body, right? Now lift your hips up and your legs reach. And remember how they reached away in your 100, right? So same thing. Then you take all that hamstring action and you reach one leg away, one leg up, and then switch and switch. And it should be kind of the freest, strongest high scissors ever. And then reach your legs away from you. So that means your pelvis will tip, but you're still staying on your upper arm bones. You're still staying on those pull strap upper arms.